Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. It's your girl Kels. I am back with another tutorial. This is not a wig or a lace or anything like that, weave or anything. These are clippings or clip-ons, or however you want to put it. They're 9 pieces, and I will show you the hair and I'll show you how I got this look. I think it's very simple, elegant, and sweet. It's very soft, and it's 100% human hair. So I'm going to show you the back. This is the front. I just used like a twist, a random twist that I had, and I just want to show you how it looks completely. I think it's really cute, really simple, something you could throw together without even touching your hair. I think it's a great idea. Okay, so if you like to see how I got this look, please stick around and watch throughout the video and give me a thumbs up. And thank you for subscribing, and thank you for coming back to my channel. So the brand of this hair is called Sensational. It's natural black, and it is 16 inches long. It's 100% human hair, and they are clippings. Okay, and there are 9 pieces that come into this pack. Okay, you can curl it, you can flat iron it. It do take heat, and it also has a bulk to it, like, you know, it's a little bulky. It's very soft as well. You're gonna find yourself running your fingers through it a lot. So this tutorial is gonna be very short, very sweet, right to the point. Okay, and if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below, and I will answer any questions you might have. So I'm gonna just let you go through and watch the video. It's very self-explanatory. I don't need to be talking your head off. So I hope you enjoyed, and just keep watching.